Using Excel and financial calculator, I will show you how to deal with approximate modified duration case. Let's collect information first. Okay, and then we will start V0. We will figure out V plus and V minus as well. V plus indicates premium bond, V minus indicate discount bond, okay, based on a change in yield of 29 basis points. We good? Let's start here. 18, and this annual bond trading at par. So coupon payment will be what? Par value times 3.09%. Enter, and we can figure out interest rate. Given information, trading at par indicate our interest rate equals to what? Coupon rate. Right? There we go. 3.09%. We good? Now, let's figure out both premium and discount bond. Number of year will be same, and par value will be same. Coupon rate will be same. So I can copy. Now, interest rate will be different. Okay, so premium bond, we will figure out the yield. 3.09 minus 0.29. Okay, equals what? 2.8%. What about this? 3.09 plus 0.29. So 3.38%. Please remember that there will be a inverse relationship between interest rate and price of bond. Okay, and 100 basis point equals what? 1%. So 29 basis point will be what? 0.29%. Let's figure out present value of premium bond. Present value will be rate, number of period, payment, future value 0. Okay. Alright. Will be interest rate, period, payment, enter. That's same, using the same format. Okay. Now, how to figure out it? There will be formula. Absolute value of this minus absolute value this. Be aware that here the negative sign is just indicate cash inflow and outflow. Reason why we use absolute value here. Okay? 2 times absolute value of this times what? Change in yield, right? In this case, 0.0029. Okay? Enter. You will get 13.66 or 13.7. We good?